RV seals 101. Today we're going to change the seals on my slide outs. Up on the top there, where your slide out goes in, it seals up on top. So when you're going down the road, you got the slides in, it won't leak water in there. So we'll get started right up there. Well, you can see these this de-seal pretty well beat up. I put some other seal on, but it's starting to fall apart. It's coming off here, and so it's time to replace them. They get old, you can just kind of like pull it right off here. It comes off pretty easy. This is never going to fall off the edge, but it comes right off. Little screw there on the end. Pull that off, and now I'll come along here and pull all this off. And if this part where the D-ring goes into, if it's loose, you can tack it back up. This got screw place where you can put screws into it, but that's what you gotta do on that. Okay, to get started here, let's spray some Windex. Every time that helps, take this stuff off. My house is dirty too up here on top. I gotta wash it off. Let's start doing this right here. Take a little putty knife. Gotta be careful you don't scrape the fiberglass. Or if you have metal roof, but like you see it comes right off. You can break that stuff off there. Just scrape it right off down there as far as you can get to it. Take that screw out there. Get that screw out there, yeah. I was saying there's a screw on each end here that you can unscrew out. About all that holds it in. About out, and you can the rest of it. I believe these are just self-tapping screws. If you do lose them, you can replace them with self-tapper, but I'm going to try not to lose these. They're just, yeah, little self-tapping screws, about an inch. This one here all done. And you want to make sure you go back behind and got anything in here, sealant or anything. Make sure you get that all out of the D-ring part. I'm not gonna take that screw out yet, but got pretty much of the caulking off as I could get. But make sure you get all this stuff out of there so it doesn't have any problems. Here, the D-ring, the D part, get it lined up here. That's kind of, I'm gonna do it from up here. I think it works better. It works better for me from up the top here like this. I'm just setting up on top of the roof here and do it like this. It'll work better for me, I believe. I should do the other side later. This one's kind of messed up over here. Look at that. This dark here, but same thing. You just kind of guide it, make sure it stays on. Guide it, push it through, and just push it right up. The thing is to keep it straight, not to twist all up. You just push it right on. Almost down to the other end. Push it past there a little bit. Make sure I'm past there a little bit. Okay. There you go. Now I'm going to go down to the other end and put my screw in. Didn't push it too far past there. Oh, yeah, just about right. Yeah. Pretty close. I put a little hole in here first so I could do it that way. There's the just about right. There's the slide. Looks like a really good wind up here. So, this is probably the hardest part, is getting the screw in without ripping the seal. Okay. There's a screw in there. Screw it in there. Okay. The screw's in there. I'll put that screw in and I'm going to beat a cock across here. I have two to. Okay. Cut these off. Cut this one here off. Ain't staying into place too, so I'm going to cut it so it overhangs here. Covers this one here up. So I think I can use this. Using my little knife, carabiner knife. Got it cut off here. So we still got about, see, I use 13, 26. Yeah, I got about 10 feet left. But I got whole other 35-foot pack. So first spoon is that way. They're inexpensive. They're about, $10, $15 to get. So I just go back here. Oh, hey, look at that. There's water from my AC. My finger wet right here. Got it coming here, then I just kind of go. Got to do the sound effects also when you're doing it. But then you can just split it right out here. Then go back later on and make sure there's anything that needs to be clogged in and around. But, yeah, hope you found this video really helpful. I hope if you got any comments, something you've done and you can see that I could do maybe a little easier, make a comment. And I really would appreciate it if you would like it and subscribe.